selection of a concessionaire and signing of agreement with selected bidder for renovation, development of BRITTONA residency through private investment mode for lease of this land, 14,800 square meters of land. To approve selection of Messrs. Ecotech Developers Private Limited as concessionaire for renovation, development of BRITTONA residency through private investment mode, joint venture.
So for development of the property, the total area is around 25,400 square meters. HME's property check. The nature of the concession for the project is a license for a period of 30 years, extendable by a further period of 30 years, subject to no concessionary event of default having taken place. The revenue to the government would be in the form of an upfront concession fee, which would be paid to the government at the start of the project, and a 5% revenue share over the concession period. Some of the CSR activities which have been defined as a part of the project towards a maximum of 0.25% of gross revenues, which need to be spent yearly at the project, are shown here in the case of redevelopment of the BRITTONA fish market, for example, sailing classes, shoreline cleaning.
Structure and the area, and also a place, a yacht bay, is that, does it include that?
Yacht bay?
Jetty, yes.
Yes, the jetty, yes.
How many yachts or vessels?
Around 30 to 50, based on the viability. So this is a smaller, so it's a floating jetty which is proposed, not a large scale.
So is this a marina by backdoor?
Is this a marina by backdoor by any chance?
No. You could see the state of affairs of the present location there. From income side, you can also verify. This was the only alternative that was available. It needs to be kept in proper shape, and moreover, government also needs to earn from it. इतकी वर्सां ते नुकसानीन चला, पण थंय कोण पाऊल दवरपाक तयार नासलो.